I was scrolling on the app Sumo and I found a really good tool here. This is the Molypix AI and let me tell you what it can do for you. So all you need to just describe the what kind of the design, image, poster or invitation card or even the LinkedIn images you want to create with this platform, and its design GPT is going to generate for you. Won't believe on my words, let me give you a demo here. So if I go to the poster, this is the demo prompt I have entered. Create a marketing poster for Molypix AI to create designs as you want here. Okay, and when I click here on the enhanced prompt, it's AI even going to make the prompt even more in detailed information. So once this is the done, you can click here on the generate, and now it is going to generate the poster for you. So it can take few seconds, and after that you will get the results here. So we are start getting the result. It is going to give you the few posters designs, and any of them you can select. You can even edit them, or you can customize the design. You can add your own logo, colors, brand color palettes. You can do it here. So while the results are generating, we have to wait a little bit. So here are the results you can look it out here. So you can see I'm going to choose this one. So let me click here on the edit. Okay, so AI has generated a design here and I have selected this one to making some changes. So let me give you the overview on this AI tools to you can use to changing. For example, I want to change this text here. So simply click here to element selecting. Then after that, you can see this is the colors where you can select the different color. Right now it's in the black color. Suppose you want to make it a purple. So let me make it bold purple, and now the color is changed. You want to select the fonts. This is the font section available. You want to make it the maximize or decrease the size of the font. You can do it from here. Okay, so this is for the thing. So you want to copy the full design. So simply click here to select the all the design section here, and now you can make it copy here. Okay, so for example, this is the group element I have grouped for this one, and now if I click here, it is going to make the duplicate all the elements here. Okay, then if I click here on the this is for the positioning. So this is all the stuff to configure your design. From here you can add the text, and there are also the so many other parts available in the AI tool section. So simply click here on this time. Let me make sure you ungroup the element because I have element. So now I'm going to select this image here, and now we have the image features available, and this is by the AI section. So you can see using this one I can generate the similar image. I can enhance the image quality. I can erase the any section. Then we have the expand section available here. Okay, then this is for the adding the media, this is for adding the element, this is for adding the images, this is for the background, this is for the layers, and this is resizing your the design. For example, right now it's in the horizontal design, so let's make it the square, and I have selected this square format, and right now it's not in the suitable format, so I am going to select this one. Okay, and let's see what are the other things to make it resize here. So let's go to the full section here, full screen, and I have to make it a little bit increase and decrease in the section so it can go in the square section. Okay, so yeah, it's in the square. I know there's the some things missing, but you have to make it customized, or simply click here on the apply mask, and we can add the mask section for adding the images. So right now there are so many good things available. Even I am not able to understand what features going to what thing here, but I hope you are getting the main point here. So using the AI to create the design for you, you can manually customize your designs with its AI tools or these sections that you will find on the left side here. Okay, then we have the apps available. So in the apps section, if I go here, we can see this is the apps you can use while designing your image or making some changes like magic eraser, remove background. There's the old photo restoration. Then we have the AI filters, watercolor, free tools. This is the things I am talking about. Okay, so this is where you are going to get started from the create, and here simply you have to select the design GPT, and you have to simply describe the image you want to create, and every time you are going to click here on the generate, it is going to cost you the 4 credits. Then you can also select the your individual thing you want to design, like the posters I have given the demo how you can generate. Then you can use it for the LinkedIn invitation, postcards, images, and even for the logos. There's also some design inspiration available on the home screen. Let me scroll down below. You can see this is the some inspiration designs available that you can select and make the customization here. So if I talk about its pricing, it's starting from the $69, and this is the lifetime deal. With the single time payment you can get it here. So every plan going to give you the higher limit of the credits. For example, tier 1 plan is going to give you 200 credits here. Okay, so based on your suitable action, you can select the pricing tier here. So that's all for today's video. I will talk about. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. Bye bye. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.